Hello guys, my name is Chandan Chiranjeev Sahu. This is my first YouTube video, and in this video I will show you how to make your own Linux command using C and C++. So before starting this, I want to tell you I am using operating system Ubuntu 16.04. You can apply this with any version of Ubuntu and in any other Linux operating system as well. First of all, I will write a simple C program, then we will see how to make that program to a command. A simple C program like a hello world. So I have already written the program. Then we will see how to run the program in Ubuntu. Then we will make this program to one Linux command. Okay. So first of all, I will move to the directory where I have saved the file. Here we can see our program file is here. Now we will see how to run this program file and make the program to a command. To run a C program in Linux, we will type gcc -o demo.c. So compilation done. There are no errors. Now we will check what's inside that folder. We can see there is an executable C file, and we will make this executable C file to a command. Now I will run the program. See, our program is also running. So now what I will do, I will move this demo executable file to computer bin folder, to here. I will move this executable file to computer bin. Let's start. To move that to computer bin, we will use the command sudo cp. I will give the file name here demo, then to bin. So it's asking me for the password. See, we can see there are no error. Now we will see whether this demo executable file in this bin folder or not. If now I am searching here if I am searching here demo, then we can see this demo executable file is here in computer bin folder. So that's it. Now we will run our command. I am closing this terminal, again opening this terminal, and again typing demo. See, here we can see hello world appears, what we have written here. So you remember one thing, whatever the name of the executable file that will be our command line, whatever command line. So that's it. Now I will show you how to make a C++ program to a Linux command. I will write a basic C++ program now, the same hello world. I will name it different something. I will name it, let's say, demo2.cpp. Let's write a simple hello world program. So here I have written the C++ program, a simple hello world program. Hello world, I am writing hello world from C++ here for better understanding. Done. Now we will run this program and see whether there is any error or not. So I will move to the directory. Now we will see which files are there. We can see demo2.cpp, demo.c. So recently we have created this file, a C++ program file. Now I will compile this and run this. To compile a C++ program in Linux, we will simply type g++ demo2. Before running this, I want to say, whatever you will write here, that will be your executable file name. Sorry, g++ -o demo2 space demo2.cpp. See, whatever you will write here, that will be our executable file name. Let's suppose I want to name the executable file test cpp. My program file name is demo.cpp. This will be our executable file name. So first of all, we'll see whether there is any error or not. So guys, there are no errors here, so we can run this program, and you can see a test cpp file created here. I have named it here. And remember one thing, what will be the name of the executable file? That will be the command of ours. So now we can run this executable file. Test cpp c, hello world from C++. Now what I will do, I will move or copy this executable file test cpp to computer bin. After moving to here, this will be a command of our Linux OS. So let's see, cp, I am copying this, I am not moving that file to bin folder. Cp, executable file name is test cpp. I am moving this to bin. Cp, sorry, I will do sudo cp test cpp bin. it's asking me for password. So it's not showing any error. Now we will check whether this test cpp has been copied to bin folder or not. So your test cpp, yes, this test cpp executable file has been moved to bin folder. Now we'll see this is working or not. So I am closing the terminal for right now, again opening the terminal and showing you. We have named that test cpp. See, we can see this has been a command line for our Linux OS, and this is hello world from C++. Guys, using this trick you can make your own Linux command using C++, and in the next video I will show you how to make Linux command using Python, Perl or Ruby. So hope guys you will like my video. And guys, I have also created many of my Linux commands using C, C++ and Python. I just want to show you that. If I am typing loser here, see, this is showing, please and press enter to continue. I am pressing. Welcome to your personal tool. I have created file operations, directory operations and mail operations and other using Google Translator service. We can translate using in our Linux terminal also. Here I have created file operations using C++. To create a file, you can see I will just type crtf. To delete a file, I will just type dltf. To read a file, and I will just type rdf. Exactly for the directory operation mkd, dld and rdd. So I want to show you this. I am moving to the desktop. cd desktop. Here I will create a directory using my own Linux command. To make a directory, I have done mkd. I am typing here mkd. See, it's asking me enter the directory name you want to create. I want to create the directory demo2. Okay, directory created. See, here demo2 also appeared. Now I will delete this directory. To delete this directory, what shall I do? dld. I will type dld. It's asking me enter the name of the folder you want to delete. I will enter demo2. See, the file has been deleted. I will share the source code with you in the description. I will share my GitHub source code link in the video descriptions. Hope guys you will like my video. Thank you so much. Thank you.